For today's quick and easy minimal Valentine's nail art, I'm using all of Sally Hansen's Good Kind Pure products. So we have the top coat, the Hardner. I am using this light pink, which is rose petal. And I'm using this brighter pink, which is Peony Origins. First, apply the Hardner. Then 2 coats of rose petal. To make the heart, I'm just going to take the dotting tool and I'm going to put 2 dots of Peony Origin close together but not touching. Then I'm going to take the brush and I'm just going to brush down from the outer corner or outer edge of the dots and make a little triangle. And then just fill that in. There we go. And top it all off with the top coat. And there you have it, a nice, cute, minimalist Valentine design. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.